Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix update stuck at preparing update screen on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, if your iPhone is stuck on the preparing update screen, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. So guys, first solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open lock screen here, and then after this the next solution is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while updating your iPhone. So after this the next solution is clear space on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, make sure you have enough storage space on your iPhone to download and install the update. So after this the next solution is try updating through iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer with the iTunes installed and try updating through iTunes. So after this the next solution is try again later. If none of the above steps work, wait a few hours and try again later. Sometimes the Apple servers may be busy or experiencing high traffic. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.